Best juice for glowing and healthy skin. The majority of fruits and vegetables contain fiber and other necessary nutrients that aid in the removal of toxins that are bad for your skin and hair in general. They also contain antioxidants, which stop the body's production of free radicals and their damaging effects on the body's cells. Applying household products to your skin might be beneficial for a short while, but drinking nourishing vegetable and fruit juice will make your skin glow from the inside out. The best fruits for you are those that are local, in season, and make sure you buy them from a reputable vendor because pesticide-treated fruits are known to be very bad for your health. Now jump into the 9 best juice for glowing skin. Please like and comment to boost my channel. Number 1. Carrots and beets juice. One of the best elixirs in the bay is carrot and beet juice. And how? The essential nutrients potassium, zinc, iron, folic acid, manganese, and vitamin C are all concentrated in beets and are known to help cleanse the blood, which in turn promotes healthy skin. Vitamin A, which is present in carrots, fights wrinkles, pigmentation, acne, and uneven skin tone. In fact, the juice is full of fiber, which promotes easy bowel movements and excretion, helping to clear your system. Number 2. Cucumber juice. Cucumber face packs and juice both have the potential to improve the appearance and elasticity of your skin. Ascorbic acid and caffeine decrease water retention, which causes your skin to seem bloated and puffy. In order to achieve the optimum outcomes, consume plenty of cucumber juice. Number 3. Fresh tomato juice. High antioxidant concentrations found in tomatoes aid in minimizing wrinkles and other early indications of aging, giving your skin a more young appearance. Tomatoes aid with pore reduction, tanning removal, and sebum reduction. Tomato juice is unquestionably one of the greatest juice for healthy-looking skin. Number 4. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate may clean your blood, which further aids in nourishing and illuminating your skin. Additionally, it possesses anti-aging qualities that promote cell regeneration, which results in youthful and attractive skin. You should definitely sip on some pomegranate juice every day. Number 5. Spinach juice. Juice made from green, leafy vegetables may not taste great, but they are really good for your skin. According to reports, spinach juice is full of iron and vitamin K, both of which are necessary for having beautiful skin. Additionally, the antioxidant vitamin C, E, and manganese in these greens guard your skin from oxidative stressors like free radicals. Number 6. Papaya juice. This lowly fruit has always provided assistance when required. The fruit includes the papain enzyme, which aids in removing skin contaminants and revealing clear, radiant skin. For smooth, supple skin, routinely consume papaya juice. Number 7. Aloe vera juice. Juice made from aloe vera is a miracle worker for your skin, hair, and general wellness. It is abundant in vitamins and minerals that support preserving your skin's healthy radiance. It contains hormones that are known to help the skin recover, including auxin and gibberellins. Number 8. Lemon and ginger juice. Potassium and niacin, 2 vital nutrients for the body, are abundant in the traditional cooking staple ginger. They help to keep your skin radiant and healthy. Ginger juice is difficult to drink on its own. To make it more enjoyable, you may add lemon and other vegetables. Number 9. Apple juice. Why not? An apple a day certainly keeps the doctor at bay. These miracle fruits are excellent for your skin and general well-being. Apples are rich in collagen, which gives your skin its elasticity and radiance. Additionally, they include antioxidants that stop wrinkles and skin tissue damage. To early aging symptoms.
Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more informative videos like this.